So our little babies have actually grown twice their size. Their eyes still are not open. And I know they would look really big in this picture. But here, if I can, I'm going to try and show you. This is a pencil eraser. It's right touching the nest. You can see how tiny these little guys are. Mommy and Daddy are out looking for food. Let's see if this focus comes in so that you can see the little wing is there, and I've got my finger in it. But their little parts are just pounding in their sleep. They can't even see me. That's how much they've grown in the past couple of days. In the rose garden with our baby hummers. They're just so cute. So cute. They actually had their heads up when I came out earlier to see if I was going to feed them. Yeah, they're going to stick their heads up now.